Hey y'all, it's Asia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for more videos like this, as well as tutorials, DIY projects, travel, fashion, beauty, and weekly vlogs just like this one. Today my sister and I were planning on going to get fitted for some clothes that we're supposed to be purchasing. We're supposed to be going to a business conference this October, so what we're gonna do is go get measured, and then from there I'm gonna go by the grocery store, gonna grab some things to cook, and then from there I'm gonna try to learn how to make some candles. So hopefully that goes well, because this is gonna be my first time doing it, so y'all gonna mess up with me. But yeah, I'm here with my sister. She don't want to be on camera today. Hey vlog. But we're gonna be heading out to the mall, get these measurements done, stop by the grocery store, and then y'all get to come hang with me for the rest of the day. Stay tuned. Didn't know they were making makeup also, but here's some of their items. Ooh, and they still have the sticky dates. So this, I actually seen this on someone's YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, I saw it online and I was like,
completely sold out of it right
yeah.
We are getting a lot of this in on Wednesday. There's no ETA on the Super Mill for the body spray.
Okay.
We are getting this.
Okay. I might have to reserve. I love that sticky dates. That stuff is so good. Got my measurements done. I'm just working on my sister's. So basically I'm getting these measurements done to do some dress shopping. I'm supposed to be going to this gala in October and gotta find me a dress, so I'm just gonna do like the custom measurements so I know it fits. Let's go. Alright. Huh? No. Alright, we headed back. We just got done doing our measurements. So we're now heading back. Gonna go and grab some food. And I gotta go by the grocery store because I'm cooking tonight. So I will see you guys when we get back to the vehicle. Yeah. Alright y'all, we made it back. Oh my gosh, it was so packed over here. Like normally the area where we would park at it was just full of people parking. And so we had to park on like the opposite side of the mall just to get back to our vehicle. I am tired. And I know my sister is too, ain't you?
Yes.
So from here we're gonna go grab food and go to the grocery store. So we're on our way now. Let me see. Back out.
Oh, he said keep him. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, he said. Thank you so much.
Nobody. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
I'm gonna hit that. I hate when a pickup truck park like that. It's so tight.
And he ain't pulled all the way up.
Yeah, that's why I'm like. All right, now.
You take your time.
All right, y'all. We're on our way finally.
Cut some of that off.
Yeah, I am.
Say it again. Where are we?
So we're on our way to grab some food right now, and then from there, gonna go to we're gonna go to a grocery store. I'm trying to figure out whether I want to go to like a Food Lion, Harris Teeter, or Lowe's. But I'm thinking Harris Teeter. I'm gonna make some garlic butter chicken, and so I got to get the ingredients, and then we'll be on our way back home. So off we go. Oh, they actually got chicken meatballs. Oh my gosh. I want to get one. Has anyone had chicken meatballs or even chicken sausages? Let me know what some good brands are, because I'm actually interested in trying it. Hey y'all, just came back from the store and we got our measurements done. Back home, and I actually picked up a few things. I'm gonna cook some garlic butter chicken, have some green beans with it for the vegetable, and roasted potatoes and onions. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got the green beans here, the chicken broth. I did get some, let's see, I did get some cloves, thyme leaves. There. Oregano. Parsley leaves. And rosemary. And I also got the chicken breast, olive oil, salt and pepper. So let's get cooking. finally time to make those candles. I've been really excited about trying this out for the first time. But this brand is by Hakka, and inside they include all the ingredients that you need to make your own candles. Inside the kit, you will find a set of instructions as well as a description of everything that's included in the box. Alongside the black electric stove, you will also receive one metal pouring pot, one spoon, one thermometer, 10 candle jars, 20 candle wicks, 5 packs of beeswax, 12 warning label stickers, 6 aromatherapy fragrances, and they all are like an assortment, wick clips, as well as rubber pads, and the dye blocks that you will put in the wax after it's melted, and 4 different dried flowers, as well as a pair of small scissors and 10 stickers. First things first, when using the electric stove for the first time, please don't put anything on the appliance stove. I will let it stay on the high heat for at least 15 to 20 minutes to remove the protective coating. Center the wick to the bottom of the candle tin. Next, place the metal pouring pot on the electric stove. Then pour in a whole bag of beeswax. Then reheat the wax until it melts in its entirety. Next, add 2 dye blocks and stir until fully combined. Within 125 to 140 degrees, add a full bottle of the fragrance oil and stir. Next, introduce the melted wax into the candle jar, being very careful due to it being still hot. Put the dried flowers in the melted wax and stay away from the candle wick. 2 or 3 pieces of the dried flowers is enough. I actually enjoyed this process with making the candles. It seemed like I could have done this without the dried flowers, but I just wanted to see how adding the flowers would make the scent smell differently. But overall, I think it was a pretty cool experience, and I look forward to making more candles in the future. After standing for 8 hours, the candle made by yourself should be complete. Hey y'all, good afternoon. Today's Sunday. I'm gonna go get gas. Just leaving my sister's now. I'm gonna go get gas, and I'm actually gonna go hang with one of my friends in Zebulon. His name's Sean, and we're gonna chop it up for a little bit. And today we're supposed to be going to the movies to see this new Alien Romulus movie. I love the Alien series, so you know, I'm kind of curious to see how this one is. I think it's kind of like a prequel to, you know, the original Alien movie, I think. but I don't know, once I look at it, I kind of give you guys a more simpler way to what it's about. But I'm not gonna reveal no spoilers, but hopefully it's a good movie. I heard some people said it was really good, but I have to find out. So we're gonna head on, grab this gas, go to my friend's place, and I will see you guys in a little bit.
No.